different. Just being a dad, period, is a different experience from, you know, from living a single life, really. Uh, Living single life, you only worry about you, yourself. The bills is small. As for when you become a family man, more bills come, more stress comes to it. Then you gotta worry about the kids and their well-being and how you gonna raise them, how you gonna make money, and
The no sleep.
yeah. But the difference out here, I feel it's more easier to raise a family out here in Australia than it is back in the West Coast. Cause in the West Coast, it's just too much. Like too many gangs, too many drugs, like, and guns is so easy to get. So I'll probably say, yeah, out here is the best place to raise a family if you're doing so. Yeah. Man, if anything go hard, just keep your head up. It's always gonna be a little light if it seemed like everything is dark. Um, yeah, and Dad's always gonna be here for you. I got you. My son's important to me because I ain't really have my dad, and me being a parent is something new. Only because I ain't really had my mom and dad together. They've been divorced since I was 7. So me being a father is a bit new. I ain't never been taught how to be, a good dad or anything. But I'm learning. That's what it is. It's more of a learning process, and the more I keep going with it, the more I'll keep learning. So, yeah. The food.
You miss the food.
I miss the food. Yeah, I'll probably just In and Out, Jack in the Box, the snacks as well. My family, importantly.
Yeah.
I should have said family first, but I'm gonna keep it real.
Food is important.
Yeah, the food. But other than that, yeah, I love life out here more better than it is out there. Yeah, I ain't got to do this all the time,
Yeah.
so I'm good.
So you planning to ever come back or?
Yeah, to see my brother and sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the only family I got out that way. So I do plan on going back, but the way my wallet is looking, it's different.
The overtime is tough.
Yeah. I say bring your asses out here. It's hella work.
Yeah.
It's different too. You ain't gotta stress. You ain't gotta worry about your ops or anything. Like as for out here, all the Polynesians, Samoan, Tongan, Fijians, the Maoris, they all fuck with each other. So and I like that. It's a big ass community out here. So they need to come out this way.
Why are they separated in America? So?
I don't know.
Why are they
That's
fucking each
weird.
other? I don't understand.
It's I don't know. Even a lot of Americans don't even like to say it, but it's racist as fuck out there.
Oh yeah, we see that on TV.
Yeah, it is racist out there. So, but lifestyle out there is different. That's why if a Polynesian from out there was to come out here, you'll probably say like they acting black or something like that.
Yeah.
But it's really not. It's just how we were raised.
Yeah,
It's just it's exactly in our environment. That's what we see. It's who we grew up with, and that's what they do. They put us all in one big ass neighborhood, and then call us ghetto.
wow.
Like, yeah, I didn't ask to be here.
Yeah, true, and is the money good over there?
Nah, the money is shit. Yeah, the money out here is more better. That's another thing I would say to the polys out there is to come out here because the money is good. Out there, the most I ever got paid was probably $25 an hour, and I was a supervisor in a warehouse. Yeah, 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 I do.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't want to go back to the motherland?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
What is it like being in the island again?
Different from all those ratchets I've been with. Nah, keep it real. it's a bit more humbling. Like, how do you say, not no other ethnicity will understand, us than us. So like, I could be with a Mexican black girl or something, but she won't understand the workings of a Polynesian home. I take her in the house, she'll probably like just stare at me and be like, "Why is everybody following me and shit?" I just say that's just how it is. Yeah. But it's just a different life. Yeah. One of the best agencies I've been with. Nah, bullshit to the side. It's a really good agency. Only the fact that, the other agencies I've been with, they all haven't really been looking out for me as much as how these boys have. And man, they look out, like, for real. Oh shit. What didn't I learn from her? I learned that when tough times come, you just have to fucking roll with it. And no matter how hard you get down, just keep fucking moving. Cause life ain't gonna wait. It's just gonna keep going. It just matters on how you move your feet. That's what I remember. Don't leave your kids. Yeah. Come back when he's 17. Nah, fuck with you. But as my old man, really nothing much, bro. I didn't really know him too well.
Yeah.
But I know that he taught me to be a better father than he was, for sure. But I still love you, Dad.
Who's the best NFL team?
49ers, for sure.
Let's go!
Yeah, we out here.
That's my team, that's my team. Loyalty over everything, that's my team, that's my team. From the bottom where we grinding, that's my team, that's my team. To the top where we shining, that's my team, that's my team.